If you're considering buying Placester for your real estate property management needs, here are 12 things you should know before making your decision. Placester is a popular platform, but how does it stack up against competitors like Appfolio or Buildium? Let's break it down so you can make an informed decision. First, Placester's user interface is intuitive, which makes it easy to navigate, especially if you're not tech savvy. It's more streamlined compared to competitors like Appfolio, which can sometimes feel a bit more complex. However, this simplicity may come with limitations in terms of advanced features, which brings us to the second point. Next thing, Placester is excellent for website creation. The platform offers customizable templates that make it easy for real estate agents to create professional websites without needing a developer. But if you're looking for a fully featured CRM or lead management system, competitors like Salesforce or Follow Up Boss might serve you better in the long run. The third thing to note is that Placester offers basic property management features, including online rent payment processing, tenant tracking, and maintenance request management. However, compared to some of the other tools out there, such as Buildium, Placester's property management features are a bit on the lighter side. You might find other platforms offering more robust accounting and reporting functionalities. The fourth thing is Placester's pricing model. While it's relatively affordable for solo agents or small businesses, the cost can add up as you scale. Unlike some competitors, which have flexible pricing tiers, Placester's flat rate pricing might make it less adaptable to growing businesses. Next, Placester integrates well with third-party tools, such as MailChimp and Zapier, which makes it a good choice for real estate professionals who rely on external services. However, its integrations are not as extensive as those of Appfolio, which offers deeper integrations with accounting software and other business tools. The sixth thing is that Placester's customer support has a reputation for being responsive, but not as comprehensive as some competitors. If you're used to 24/7 live chat support like what Buildium provides, you may find Placester's support a bit more limited. The seventh thing to consider is Placester's lead generation tools. It comes with built-in features to capture leads via website forms and landing pages. While this is a strong feature, it's not as advanced as the marketing automation tools offered by competitors like HubSpot, which give you more control over lead nurturing and conversion. The eighth thing is that Placester offers mobile apps, making it easy to manage properties on the go. However, these apps are somewhat basic when compared to competitors like Appfolio, whose mobile apps provide full functionality, from tenant communication to document management. Next up, Placester's SEO tools are a strong selling point for those looking to rank their website high in search engines. The built-in SEO features can help you optimize your real estate listings and attract more visitors. But again, it's not as advanced as dedicated SEO platforms like Moz, which provide in-depth keyword analysis and tracking. The 10th thing is that Placester's reporting features are relatively simple, offering basic insights into your business. If you're looking for more detailed, customizable reports, platforms like Buildium might be a better fit, offering more granular data for in-depth analysis. The 11th thing is that Placester does offer lead syndication, allowing your property listings to show up on major real estate websites. While this is great for exposure, it's not as seamless as competitors who offer direct MLS integrations, such as Appfolio. Finally, Placester is a solid option for real estate professionals looking for an affordable, user-friendly platform. But if you need more comprehensive features, a higher degree of customization, or advanced reporting, there are better alternatives out there. While Placester is a good tool, if you're looking for something that offers more robust features and flexibility, we recommend checking out our preferred solution. It's a platform that can help take your business to the next level, and you can try it for free.